I'm here to introduce to you this medical device that we call IM laser. IM stands for Integrative Medicine. This is the world's first two-in-one medical device for two very important functions: cleaning of our blood, at the same time restoring cell functions in the body. And these two functions are carried out instantaneously the moment you put on this therapy. And it is safe, non-invasive, no needles are used, effective, no side effects, very convenient. You can bring it anywhere you want to go, and it is always so handy. My latest experience from my friend is that they were having a meal in a restaurant somewhere in Taman Tun in KL. And then on next table, somebody were there for dining, and the elder lady around the table collapsed suddenly. And this person in this table happened to be one who was using this device. And seeing the other table, the person on the other table collapsed, she immediately went to that table, asked for permission from the other lady's husband to try out this and put it on the person who collapsed. Within 5 minutes, she woke up and was able to go to her car and went home. So this was something very, very marvelous, because I, for one, I didn't expect that this device could even be used for emergency purposes.